The graph shows worldwide snowmobile sales from 2000 through 2015, where x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. Use the graph to work the problem. We have a graph of worldwide snowmobile sales where the x-axis is for the year from 0 to 16 in increments of 2 years, and our y-axis has sales in thousands from 0 to 250 in increments of 50. We see that the points 0, 209 and 15, 151 are connected with a straight line. Is the slope of the line in the graph positive or negative? Explain. From the point 0, 209 to the point 15, 151, the line is decreasing. As x, or the years, increases, the sales in thousands decreases. This means that the slope is negative.